I can already feel that the temperature is dropping as I'm gaining some elevation. It's been raining on and off all day, and the forecast doesn't look much better for tonight. There's a possibility of snow, and the temperatures are gonna hold right around freezing. I'm about to leave the valley bottom and climb 500 meters to an alpine cirque where I'm gonna spend the night camping at 2,000 meters elevation. The trail just disappeared into some snow. I've got 2 big trips coming up in the next few weeks, and I wanna make sure that I'm ready for both. I've been working on my fitness over the last few months and feel like I've got a solid base. But this kind of terrain and the conditions that I'm expecting are all about efficiency. You need to have your clothing and gear systems dialed in. I just got to where I wanna camp for the night, and I'm dealing with 2 problems. First of all is that there's no running water in the creek, so I'm too early in the season. The real melt hasn't started yet. And I didn't bring enough fuel to melt snow, probably half of a 4-ounce can. So I'm gonna end up making a fire. I kept my rain shell on because I was brushing up against branches that were soaked from the rain, and I wanted to stay as dry as possible. So now I've got some damp layers underneath and I'm cooling off. It's definitely colder up here than in the valley bottom. I've dropped down from what I think is a glacial moraine, and I'm gonna camp down here because it's a little bit more protected if weather does move in, which I'm expecting it will later tonight. So there's a pretty impacted campsite right here. I can make a fire and I'm not creating a new fire ring. So got that here. And this is gonna be home for the night. I've gotta get my warm clothes on because I'm really cooling down. I found a perfect spot for my tent. I want to get that set up as quickly as possible in case the weather moves in. I'm feeling more prepared now that I've got my shelter up. Sunset is around 8:30, but I still make sure that I get my headlamp in my pocket so that I don't have to look for that later. Luxury item today is a huge mattress. Second luxury item is a pump. Holy smokes, that was fast. I'm pretty sure I had my good weather window because the clouds are looking dark over there. The temperature's holding at 4 degrees Celsius, so a little bit cool. The clouds have moved in and I'm expecting some rain or snow to start soon. I got the tarp set up right in time. That was perfect. Managed to stay pretty dry, refilled my water, had my dinner, pretty much set to call it a night. Probably going to be a little bit more weather. Clouds are coming back actually, so we'll see about that. Clouds have completely moved in. Don't know if there's a better feeling than being in your tent when it's raining or snowing. It was a complete surprise yesterday that there was no water running in the creek here. I guess that's a lesson learned, that what you think is going to be the obstacle isn't always the obstacle. I would have thought that the rain and the snow was going to be the biggest challenge, and I was lucky that I got into camp and was able to set up in a little weather window. It's also really nice to be able to pack up in nice weather. It's completely different if it was pouring rain, but I still have the tarp set up, which would have been a big help. this little tarp could have been a lifesaver. If you found this video useful and that it'll give you more confidence going out when the forecast is really not that great, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. I didn't talk much about the gear that I'm using on this trip because it's pretty much my standard 3-season setup. If I had looked at the forecast and stayed at home, I would have missed out on a perfect morning in the mountains.